Alright guys, so in this lesson I want to show you one other way that you can save and send me work. So when you're completed with a technical drawing, um, so far we've screenshotted our work. There's a better way to send me a really high quality drawing. So if you go to File, so when your drawing's done, go to File. There's this button that says Export, and if you click on PDF, it's going to ask you to save that PDF in whatever folder it is that you usually save your work in, and click Save. And it may or may not automatically open the PDF file, but as you can tell, this is a high quality image of your work, and then you can send me that file instead of the screenshot. You can do either or, whichever you prefer. I would prefer both, so a screenshot with your initials like you normally do, and then this PDF, because it looks so much nicer as a PDF instead of a screenshot. And then I can brag about it. I can print them out, post them on social media, and really showcase all of your skills when I have a higher quality image of your work. So just to recap: File, Export, PDF, in that format to submit your technical drawings.